Have you ever picked up your phone to take a photo or download an app only to get that frustrating message? Storage full? You delete a few photos, uninstall an app or two, but the problem doesn't go away. The truth is, your phone is quietly hoarding hidden files, files you don't see and probably never knew existed, and they're eating up your space every single day. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find and delete these hidden files step by step, safely and effectively, so your phone runs faster and you get your storage back. Stick around till the end, because missing just one step can leave gigabytes of junk behind. Let's dive in. Let's start with the first thing you need to do. Reveal hidden files on your phone. Step 1. Show hidden files on your phone. 1. Open your File Manager app. 2. Navigate to Internal Storage. 3. Tap the three dots at the top right corner and select Show Hidden Files. On Samsung, Xiaomi, or other devices, the setting might be in a slightly different location, but just take your time. The wording will be similar. Now that hidden folders are visible, you're ready for the real cleanup. Step 2. Find hidden folders that waste storage. One of the biggest storage hogs is WhatsApp, specifically sent media files you didn't even realize were saved. Here's how to find them. 1. Open your File Manager again. 2. Go to Internal Storage, Android, Media. 3. Tap on com.whatsapp, WhatsApp Media. 4. Open folders like WhatsApp Images Sent or WhatsApp Video Sent. These folders contain duplicates of every image or video you've ever sent on WhatsApp, all quietly stacking up in the background. To delete them, open the folder. Tap Select All. Hit Delete. Important: this won't affect your gallery. You're only deleting the extra sent copies, not the original files. Disable WhatsApp Auto Download. Prevent future clutter. To stop your phone from downloading everything automatically: 1. Open WhatsApp. 2. Tap the three dots top right, then go to Settings. 3. Select Storage and Data. 4. Under Media Auto Download, turn off everything for mobile data, Wi-Fi, roaming. This prevents new photos, videos, and documents from auto-downloading and clogging up your storage again. Step 4. Clear app cache safely. Apps like Instagram, Facebook, or Chrome build up cache, temporary files that bloat your storage over time. To clear them: 1. Go to your Settings, Apps. 2. Choose any app. Start with heavy ones like Facebook or TikTok. 3. Tap Storage. 4. Select Clear Cache, not Clear Data. That resets your app. Do this for a few apps and you'll free up hundreds of megabytes, maybe even more. Step 5. Permanently delete recently deleted files. When you delete something, your phone often holds onto it in a trash bin for 30 to 60 days. Here's how to clear that space for good. 1. Open File Manager. 2. Look for a folder called Trash or Recycle Bin. 3. Tap Select All, then choose Delete Permanently. If you don't see a trash folder, try this. Open your Gallery app. Tap Albums. Look for Recently Deleted or Deleted Items. Empty that folder completely. You'll be surprised how much space is still trapped in files you thought were already gone. Many people never realize their phone storage is full because of hidden folders and cache. But by using these steps, showing hidden files, deleting sent WhatsApp media, clearing app cache, and permanently deleting trash, you're giving your phone a fresh start without losing anything important. Now I want to hear from you. Which folder on your phone had the most junk files? Drop it in the comments. You might help someone else too. If this video helped you breathe life back into your phone, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss simple tech solutions like this. Thanks for watching, and go enjoy all that new free space on your phone.